Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this LA Colors Brow Cream Gel in the color medium brown from Dollar Tree that I picked up today. So when I looked it up, this item costs, sometimes it depends where it is, $4 and $8.99 the most. So I actually found this at the Dollar Tree today. Yes, today they have soft, medium, brown, and then they have deep brown, and they also have the brow brush. So today I'm going to be using the medium brown, not the deep one. So I'm going to put this away, and then I'm going to be using the medium brown, and also I'm going to be using a brush and a spoolie. So this doesn't come with a brush or a spoolie. It comes by itself in here like this, just like this, single. Usually, this will come with a little brush, but this one doesn't. So I purchased this same brush from Dollar Tree as well. So it does have the spoolie, and it has the brush for you to pick up the product and put it on. So this is what let me tell you how much you get from here. You get 0.12 ounce. Okay, excuse me for the noise. The kids they're all from school for the coronavirus, so it's kind of, excuse me for the noise, background noise. So this is what the product looks like, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like the medium or the dark, so I picked up two of those. But for today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing this one, and maybe in the future I'll do another one for the deep one. Okay, so I'm gonna open the brush. So if you are buying this, either you already have a brush or looking to buy one, either or. So I have one, but it wasn't for this one, so I just picked up one just for this. So this is what the brush looks like. It's pretty. Yeah. So I barely have any brows, so I'm gonna wipe all of my oil that I have on my face, on my brows or whatsoever. So okay, so now, like I said, I don't have too much brows, so it's not much to brush down like that. So I'm gonna take this part of the brush, I'm gonna dip it in to the product, and then I'm just gonna apply. So don't worry with the mess. It's gonna be cleaned up. Oh, so this product works, y'all. I'm being sloppy here, okay? But everything's gonna be cleaned up with my concealer, so don't worry. Okay, so now let's try to clean this bad boy up and give it a flawless look, okay? If you make a mistake, don't be afraid and always go back and just correct. Okay, so this is the first brow. So I just created that brow just like that. So I'm gonna take a spoolie right now and just try to clean up. Okay, so that is that. And if you also want to make it thicker, you can as well. You can build up as you go on, but I think I'm gonna stop like right there. Okay, so this is this versus this when it's not cleaned up yet. So I'm gonna come back and then, you know, show you this other side because I don't want this tutorial to be so long. Okay guys, so I am all done with this brow gel, cream gel pomade. Yes y'all, if you guys see this at Dollar Tree, make sure you pick it up. So I have got my face back after my eyebrows is done. So you know, this is just you know, a demo basically to show you guys how it looks. It does work, you know, and it doesn't move at all. So like, oh my god, this This is a good product from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Very, very good product. So if you see this, make sure you pick it up as well, because this is gonna save you a whole bunch and make your face, and especially the summertime, it doesn't budge at all. It doesn't budge at all. So yes guys, so this dollar pomade, yes, pomade, so you could buy a couple of these and keep it, because you might not even see um, you might not see this much out, because Dollar Tree, once you go there, you see things, you buy them. So I will do a tutorial on the darker one and see how that also look on me. So the one that I did today was the medium. So that is it for my tutorial today, guys. So I have demo my products and it works. So yes guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section. Is this something that you're gonna purchase and try and things like that? Let me know, you know. So yes guys, so this is it, you know. Do you remember my face before? I'm pretty sure you do. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Yes, my brows are on fleek, y'all. Even though my face ain't done, but my brows are on fleek. Yes. Yes, I found something, y'all.